Hey channel. So we're going to do another one tonight. I'm going to try this one out. This is the Cole's Kitchen Italian inspired chicken and bacon pasta bake. It actually looks quite yummy. Chicken is one of my favourite things to cook, as you can all see by the videos of the skills, and bacon. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take the wrapping off. I am going to put some chives on top. I'm going to wrap it up in foil, and we're going to use my favourite thing to cook on, to do raised heat. So I'll get the ziggy right up to temperature. I want to do this one indirect heat. So this says the cooking time will be 40 minutes, and then it'll bake for a further 10 minutes in an oven at 200 degrees. So I'm estimating 45 to 50 minutes on the ziggy, and then we'll take the top off for about 5 minutes. And you'll see this with the chives on it, like. Okay, so here's the chives, all unwrapped. I'm going to wrap this up in the foil. In the next scene, you'll see this sitting on the ziggy, just like so. So, what do we usually say? Let's flame it up, motherfucker. Oh, flamage. Got a bit of cheese melt happening in there. And I'll show you when we take this one off. Just like. Okay, so back the heat off the ziggy. And let's open this up for 10 minutes. Let it cook a little bit longer. Then I'm going to take it right off. This actually looks really good. The only thing I'd say is that the pasta looks like it should have mixed up a little bit more with that. That should be okay. Bit of dried pasta in the end. So send it to the scrappers. Give that a bit of a mix up. Okay, so I have a little bit of dried pasta in here because this wasn't really mixed up properly, but we'll yeah, we'll see how it looks in 10 minutes time. Sweet. Okay, we're at 170 now, so I've turned the burners down, and this is the ending result. So the pasta looks dry, but it's the way that it's supposed to be cooked. So I've got a creamy top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the tin foil off. I'm going to let it rest in the residue. So this is the ending result. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace. Yummy goodness. Yum yum.